Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV, welcome. Check it out. We're in Quartzsite. Christmas week, we're in Quartzsite. You know, after I did that video a couple weeks ago about the great tree at 1,050 years old, it's older than that now. People saying, we didn't see it. So let's go check it out. This is the courthouse. We're actually at intersection of East Quail and Plymouth. Always look for the airplanes there at the town park. All right, let's go for a walk. Look, they even got a little stone pathway here. Chilly in the mornings, warm in the afternoon. Typical desert in December. Okay, here we go. Look at this, their fancy little parking lot got them a camp post. Even got a satellite dish. Anyway, I'm gonna be down there a few days. I run around. We'll check her out. Gonna go to Tyson Wells game store later. Always remember the water tower's here too, if you're looking for it. Arizona Sun RV Park is right behind there. Okay, here it is. So this tree, here you go, it's over 1,000 years old. That's how they determine it. Look at this. It's an ironwood tree, 1,010 years old. Growth rings were counted and totaled 60 rings per inch, multiplied by the radius of the tree. This thing was dated in 2009. People have gotten married down here and stuff. So what were you doing back then? Isn't that something? So if this one's 1,000, look at that little bench you can sit on. How old are these other ones? I mean, look at the size of this thing. Maybe that's his baby brother. But all these trees, my goodness, 1,000 years ago. Go figure. Well, what do you say? Let's go cruise town. 1,000 years old. It absolutely amazes me. You know, there's another one right in front of the community center they dated too. We'll check that out sometime. There's the Mighty Desert. There's Arizona Sun RV Park. Also, Park Place is past it. Best two parks to stay around here if you're going to do an RV park. Anyway, I thought, hey, why not? Let's cruise town. Maybe look for some Christmas gifts. Do a little shopping. 'Tis the season, huh? Can't believe the end of the year's here already, too. My goodness. But you know what that means. Next month, the big RV shows fire up. Quartzsite RV show, Tyson Wells Salorama, arts and crafts shows. All kinds of good stuff. Cool, huh? There's Arizona Sun on the right. Looks like they still got some empties left. Give them a call. What's cool about staying at this end of town, right on the left, that's all public land. You can take your ATV like that guy right there and head straight out to the desert. Arizona Peace Trail. You can go all the way up to Bouse, Lake Havasu. Over 700 miles is that Arizona Peace Trail alone, not including all the other trails. We're at the very east end of Quartzsite here. Well, let's do this. Let's go up Main Street. We'll cut down. I thought, hey, you know, also I had some comments. I always drive through the downtown area but never stop. Maybe we'll stop, check out some of them shops. Right there on the right, there's Park Place. Same owners, both at Arizona Sun and Park Place. Good little spots. Today is also my birthday. I'm a December baby. Right. Anyway, it is my birthday. I turned 66 years old today. Alright, make a right up here on Main Street. You can really tell the town's getting ready to get busy. I mean, all the stores are opening up. See a lot of trucks pulling in, a lot of vendors setting up too. Just a few every day keep popping up. Right after New Year's, that's when it really takes off. I think the very first Tyson Wells show starts January 7th. Which is what? A couple weeks away. Not far at all. Seems a little weird down here. You don't see the RV dealers anymore setting up. All that property got bought up. That's where supposedly that new truck stop's going to go someday. Years ago, when I first started coming to Quartzsite, it was RV dealer after RV dealer. Plus, Main Street here was only 2 lanes. They were just making it a 4-lane when I was first started coming down here. They also used to have vendors set up along the street through here. They actually elevated Main Street too. That's why some of the properties look low on the sides, because for flooding, flood protection. If you ever get a chance, go to the museum. They show pictures of Quartzsite underwater. A few times this place is really flooded bad. Water come cascading out of the mountains. You can see up here on the left, that lot's empty. Them guys should have been here by now, but I guess it's up for sale, that property. That was that huge RV dealer. Alright, this is Central and Main. To the right goes up Parker, down to the left will go take you all the way down to Yuma. Probably a little warmer down in Yuma, but this is pretty chilly weather. Almost freezing at night, in the 30s. Cold for the desert. I know rest country it says, ow. That ain't cold. It is here. Well, what do you say? Let's go up to downtown Quartzsite. There's old High Alley Showgrounds. They're getting some vendors in there. Crossing over mighty Tyson Walsh here on Main Street. Can't believe it's Christmas. I think I already said that. 2021 is almost gone and it's 2022. Goodness. Right up here in the right, there's a guy that sells all kinds of yard art. Right there, he's got camels in there. All rusted looking. Horses. Iron cactuses. I mean, just a cool place to stop. I just don't have a yard to put that stuff in. Big yellow tanks, K&B. There's a couple more vendors. That's called Vendors on Main Street. They got some food guys in there too. Food trailers. I know that one barbecue place, pretty good. Alright, here we are. This is downtown Quartzsite. Right here on the right, see these little shops? I always drive by and say, look at the shops in downtown. Well, you know what? I think we need to stop this time and maybe do a little street walking. Do a little window shopping in Quartzsite. These shops been down here. There are vendors out back. This used to be all part of, I think, the main event years ago, years and years. This building here is closed. What they got? Looks like they might have rocks in there. Most of these guys are crystals and rock dealers. That kind of stuff. There's a couple vendors way in the back. Then old Steve Hardy, this building up here, he retired. He closed down. He used to sell beads. He was in business for a very long time. But he finally decided to retire. Matter of fact, all this property here is for sale. It's Sunday, so Chamber's closed, but that's where you come down, get all the info. They got really good maps of the area. Chamber of Commerce. Okay, what's this one? Roadrunner Rocks. Jewelry, crystals, and fossils. Got some wooden wind chimes there. That wouldn't be bad. Kind of a cool little shop down here. Spirit Stone. 10 to 50% off. It's a pretty good sized store. What's this one down here? Rossman. Crystal rocks and minerals. They got the big stuff here. Look at that. I think it was this building here. It looks pretty new. One of them really got tore up in one of the big storms a year or so ago. Maybe it was this one. They got all kinds of cool stuff. Now, okay, this is what I want. Top of the van. Get me a what is that, T-Rex? And what do we got down here? Silver jewelry. Indian artifacts, rocks, turquoise, souvenirs. There you go. Little baby camel down there. Oh yeah, this is the one. This guy boasts he's got the world's largest belt buckle right there hanging. There you go, world's largest belt buckle. Then good old Quartzsite, get this. Check out these painted camels. All the businesses are putting them around their business. And someone came up with the idea to make an app. And they're going to sell you the app to where they're at. Watch RVerTV. We'll tell you for free. Alright, that's the end of downtown here. Well, there you go. That's a look at the little shops down there. There's a few more I probably missed. Like that Gem World, but they don't allow pictures taken and any of that stuff, so oh well. Alright, well, let's head towards the game store over at Tyson Wells, see what's going on. Well, maybe tonight I can find some Christmas lights around. Go check those out. Christmas in the desert, Christmas in Quartzsite. It's Christmas week. Down here in the desert. Maybe tomorrow if we get a chance, weather holds. It's a little cold in the morning, so take a buggy ride, head out desert. Make a left here on Queuing. Yeah, I talked to Kim Scott, Tyson Wells. They just opened up their final road for to create more space for vendors. They are pretty much sold out. The big shows, big tents sold out. So it's going to be a packed house this winter. All right, here's Tyson Wells. There's the game store. Yay! All right, the shopping continues. Journey continues. Talk soon.